Edward's surname meaning and history presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning: Edwards is an English and Welsh patronymic name meaning the son of Edward. Edward was a Saxon name which appeared in the Domesday book as Eaaduardus or Eduard. The name derives from the word ed or ead, meaning prosperity and fortune, and weird, meaning guard or ward. The name was widespread before the Norman invasion due to two kings, Edward the Martyr, born 962, and Edward the Confessor, born in 1003. Early bearers included William Edward of Suffolk in 1219, another William Edward in Somerset in 1327, and Adam, William, and Richard Edward in Yorkshire in 1379. Noble titles held included the Edwards Baronetcy of Shrewsbury in the county of Shropshire, which was a title created in the Baronetage of England in 1645 for Sir Thomas Edwards. And here we see a list of the baronets all the way through the 10th baronet, who we see on the right, Sir Henry Hope Edwards, who died in 1900. The Edwards Baronetcy of York was created in 1691 for Sir James Edwards, the son of another Sir James Edwards, who was Lord Mayor of London, and the title became extinct on the death of the third baronet, Sir Nathaniel Edwards, in 1764. The Edwards Baronetcy of Garth in the county of Montgomery was created in 1838 for John Edwards, a member of Parliament from 1833 to 1841. He was the son of John Edwards of Greenfield, and the title became extinct on his death in 1850. Here we see the family estate of Greenfield. The Edwards Baronetcy of Pine Nest in the county of York was created in 1866 for Sir Henry Edwards. He represented Halifax and Beverley in the House of Commons as a Conservative and served as a High Sheriff of Yorkshire in 1871. Here we see Pine Nest. William Edwards of Johnson Hall in Pembrokeshire, Wales, was a Member of Parliament and landowner who was created Baron of Kensington in the Peerage of Ireland in 1776. And on the right we see William Edwards, the 4th Baron, who died in 1896. Here we see the family estate, I believe Johnson Hall it's called. Next is Edwards, or landed gentry, includes Edwards of Gilston Manor in County Glamorganshire, Wales. They descended from Reverend John Edwards, who was born in 1765. Edwards of Rhyd-wy-Gors, however you pronounce that, in Welsh, in County Carmarthenshire, descended from John Edwards. Edwards of Sealyham in County Pembrokeshire, Wales. They descended from Owen Edwards, Esquire of Trefgarn. Edwards of Ness Strange in County Shropshire, England. Edwards of Dolsarrow from County Merionethshire, Wales. Edwards of Nanhorn in County Carnarvon, Wales. Edwards of Trematton Hall in County Cornwall, England. Edwards of Hardingham and of the White Hall in Norfolk. Notables include Mary Edwards of Kensington, born 1704, an English heiress and art patron who was said to be one of the richest women in England. Brian Edwards, an English merchant and historian who supported the slave trade. Jonathan Edwards, born 1703, an American revivalist preacher, philosopher, and Congregationalist theologian who was the 3rd president of Princeton University. Ninian Edwards, a founding political figure in the state of Illinois who served as governor and senator. Pierpont Edwards, born 1750, a delegate to the Congress of the Confederation and a United States District Judge. Early settlers included John Edwards, who came to Virginia in 1621. William and Arthur Edwards came to Virginia in 1622. John Edwards came in 1623, Richard Edwards in 1624, and Joseph Edwards and Thomas Edwards arrived in Nova Scotia, Canada in 1750. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research services. Link in the description. Thank you very much.